Welcome back, gardeners. Today, we're talking about two essential factors for growing strong, productive pepper plants: sunlight and watering. Let's cover the best practices to ensure your peppers thrive. Sunlight is critical for pepper growth. Peppers need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day to produce strong, healthy plants and maximize yield. If your peppers are in pots, take advantage of their mobility by moving them to the sunniest spot in your garden or patio. Watering is all about balance. Peppers need consistent moisture, but it's important to avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Water your peppers deeply and allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. In potted plants, the soil dries out faster, so check regularly to maintain steady moisture. Adding mulch can help retain moisture in both garden and container setups. By giving your peppers plenty of sunlight and maintaining the right watering schedule, you'll set them up for a bountiful harvest. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy growing!